How about that for a plot twist? The Google Pixel Pro now comes in a compact size. Today, Google unveiled the all-new Pixel 9 Pro, boasting a 6.3-inch display, alongside the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the successor to last year's flagship, now featuring a larger 6.8-inch display. Both devices are equipped with high-brightness Super LTPO displays, peaking at an impressive 3000 nits, with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The Pixel 9 Pro has a resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixels, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL slightly ups the ante with a 1344, 29 and 92 pixel screen. Both displays are protected by flat Gorilla Glass Victus 2. A notable upgrade in the Pixel 9 series is the switch from optical to ultrasonic fingerprint scanners, which Google claims to be 50% faster. These ultrasonic scanners are more reliable and work without needing a bright flash of light. In terms of design, the Pixel 9 series emphasizes flat sides with frames that sport a glossy, polished metal look, contrasting with the matte rear panels. Apart from their size, the two models are nearly identical, both featuring a distinctive camera bar on the back that houses a triple camera setup. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL come with a 50-megapixel wide-angle main camera, supported by two 48 cameras for ultra-wide and 5x telephoto zoom shots. The rear cameras benefit from multi-zone LDIF laser-assisted focus, while the front has been upgraded to a new 42-megapixel selfie camera, likely using Samsung's 50-megapixel 3J1 sensor. Powering the Pixel 9 series is Google's Tensor G4 chipset, built on a 4nm process, featuring a Cortex-X4 Prime core, 3 Cortex-A720 cores, and 4 Cortex-A520 cores. Alongside the Titan M2 security coprocessor, the Pixel 9 Pro models come with 16GB of RAM, and storage options range from 128GB to 1TB. The new Exynos 5400 modem in the Tensor G4 is said to bring better efficiency, enhancing overall performance. Battery life is another strong suit, with the Pixel 9 Pro packing a 4700 mAh battery and the Pixel 9 Pro XL featuring a larger 5006 mAh battery. Both devices support 45 watts wired charging, capable of reaching 70% in just 30 minutes. Google has also integrated its Gemini AI into the Pixel 9 series, offering features like Magic Editor, which can remove distractions from photos or even generate new scenery, and Circle to Search, allowing users to search anything on their screen by simply holding the navigation bar. The Pixel 9 series comes with 7 years of Pixel drops, ensuring long-term software support. Available in Obsidian, Hazel, Rose Quartz, and Porcelain, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are now available for pre-order. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will ship on August 22nd, while the Pixel 9 Pro will be available on September 4th in the US and September 9th in Europe. Both models include 1 year of Gemini Advanced and 2 TB of free cloud storage. As for pricing, the Pixel 9 Pro starts at £999 and €999 for the 128GB model, with higher storage options available. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.